Garlic is a well-known ingredient that has been used for centuries for its various health benefits. Garlic is famous in many Asian cultures as a natural immunity booster. If you are suffering from low immunity or you get tired and sick easily, watch this short video till the end because garlic could really help you out. It is a great source of a number of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, selenium and even manganese. Garlic also contains a compound called allicin. Allicin is proven to have antibacterial and antiviral properties. Allicin is released when garlic is chopped or crushed, and it is believed to help the body fight off infections and illnesses. When you consume garlic, allicin is released and interacts with your body's cells to increase the production of white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting off infections and diseases. Many cultures recommend drinking garlic water to fight off cold and flu, where they crush a piece of garlic and mix it in warm water. It provides an instant relief and just shows how powerful garlic is as a natural herb. This natural remedy is still being used till today. Garlic also contains arginine, oligosaccharides, and flavonoids, all of which are very good for your immunity. Additionally, garlic has been shown to have antimicrobial properties, meaning it can help kill harmful bacteria and viruses in the body. There was research done by the Journal of Nutrition that found that by consuming garlic daily for 12 weeks, you can boost the number of immune cells in your body and gain better immunity. These immune cells are responsible for fighting off infections and diseases. So having more of them helps in strengthening your immune system. Another research showed that garlic is pretty high in antioxidants, which helps to prevent oxidative damage from happening in your body. These antioxidants can help prevent certain cognitive diseases like dementia and Alzheimer's. Antioxidants are important because when our cells are damaged, our immune system has to work harder to repair them, which can leave us more vulnerable to infections and illnesses. Many health professionals promote consuming garlic regularly to fight off cancer and counteract the side effects of chemotherapy. There are plenty of different varieties of garlic. Different areas would be having different color, shape, and size of garlic. Although their composition, shape, and size might be different from one another, there would be differences in the benefits as well. Some types of garlic are having better vitamins and minerals compared to the others, but their core benefits remain the same. To get the most benefits from garlic, it's best to eat it raw or lightly cooked. Cooking garlic for too long can destroy some of the healthy compounds. It is clearly proven that garlic is beneficial for your health. You might want to consider including garlic in your diet. If you feel always tired, struggle with cold and flu regularly, or even feel that you have low immunity, having garlic will definitely help you out. You can add raw garlic to salad dressings, dips, or marinades, or even crush a clove and swallow it whole if you can handle the taste. You can also crush garlic and drink it with tea and add a little honey to sweeten the taste. Probably the easiest way is to take garlic supplements, which are available in various forms such as pills, capsules, and powders. Consume garlic every day for 30 days to feel the difference in your immunity. You will feel more fresh and energized in just 1 month. We have included our favorite garlic supplement in the description. It is also one of the best-selling garlic supplements in the market. Using our links, you would be getting a special discounted price. Hope this video helped you out. Share this video to friends and families to help them understand the benefits of consuming garlic. We have more health secrets coming up your way. Hope to see you again tomorrow. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.